Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your favorite girl, Happiness Empire, in the building, darling? Yeah, so guys, please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also with the bell notification and also like button. Yeah, yes guys. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to draw your brow. Yeah, how to draw your brow. It's very important. You know, sometimes when you want to make up, you don't know the type of eyebrow to draw on top, like the eye look or eyebrow you want, and you don't know how to go about it. So guys, don't search anymore. I mean, search no more. The opportunity is here right now. So now I'm going to be showing you the materials you need. First, you need this comb, eyebrow comb brush right here, and this is the eyebrow pencil, but I'm not using this one. This is it. Yeah, this it is inside. I'm not going to be using this one, and I'm going to be using this one. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. And if you want to darken it, you can also use this black color as well. And this what is it called, eyebrow cleaner. Yeah, you also need this one as well. And eyebrow shaver, like if you want to shave your eyebrow, you want to put it in a better shape, you need this one as well. And concealer, depends on the concealer you want to use, depends on the shade, depends on the one you have particularly. So this is the one we are going to be using for today's video, guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's just like jump into the video right away. So now I'm just going to be brushing my brows. I have my mirror here with me. Yeah, so I'm just going to be brushing it. You see, my brows is already shaved, but not to my liking, because I don't have this type of brow, like those when you see some people's eyebrow, you feel like you fall in love with them because they are very full, and the shape of the eyebrow particularly is beautiful as well. But I appreciate though, but I still want more of the eyebrow, so that I will take it to the like shave it the way I want it. Yeah, so just comb. Yeah, and now take my eyebrow pencil. Okay, let me come a little bit closer. Yeah, just like this, and then watch me do my thing. You see, this place is already like long to this place. How am I going to put it? Well, you understand. So I just take the upper one, just take it this way, and I graze my hand up, like draw it upward a little bit, and then you take it down like this, then you add it to this one. You see that? So after that, all you need to do is just to fill in the eyebrow. Just fill it in. And now with the eyebrow brush, just brush it at the front, brush it very well to remove that, to clear it, let me put it that way, to clear the brows, the eyebrow pencil. Yeah, to make it a little bit look natural. So then you brush your normal eyebrow upward. See? And then take your pencil again if you are not satisfied with the shape you want. You don't need to draw, like take your eyebrow pencil down, no, because we are going for the that brow that's the lift eyebrow. I don't know what the name is particularly here. It's normal, but now what I'm going for is that eyebrow lift eyebrow. You know the name. Please, if you do, write the name in the description, in the comment box. Yeah, comment it down below, please, guys, because I'm still learning. So just brush it upward, and then let's go to the other side. I've already come it as well, so just take your pencil, eyebrow pencil, just make sure as you do this, as you are doing this, be looking at this. You don't want to make any mistake. You see? Do you see that? Even if you messed up, don't bother, because your concealer is going to make everything look clean. I'm going to clean the mess up. Don't mind this one. So that's why I'm just saying that if you messed up, it's not a problem. So just try it. So there's no need drawing it more than that. And then you just take your eyebrow brush, just brush at the front to make the eyebrow pencil clear a little bit and to make it look natural as well. And then for the natural brows, just you take your brush and brush it upward. As you can see, that is what I'm doing. And then at it down, you just take it like this as well. So on my flat brush right here, yeah, so okay, I'm just going to dip my flat brush in my concealer, just like this. If you need more, you can just dip more, which I just did right now. And then all you need to do is just clean your brows, let the direction I'm cleaning. You need to be really careful in this part because you don't want to mess your eyebrow up with the concealer. So now I'm going back with my pencil just to draw a little bit tiny line. Yeah, then take my pencil, my brush, not brush, my eyebrow cleaner one more time. So I just dip my brush in my concealer one more time, and then I'm going to the up side to clean, just like, don't need it to be too thick on the eyebrow, just like you rub it on your face and then clean the brows. Need to be careful, guys. So I rub it one more time, just a little bit this time around, and then rub it, see. See, as you can see, I'm not taking my brush upward like this, like this. No, I'm not doing it like this either. I'm just like slip it to my face, just like this. You can see that. So all you need to do is just to be careful and take the line exactly the way you want it. You see? Yeah. You know, some people have a like me. Normally, when I was starting my brows, I have difficulties of doing this particular eye. Yeah, because I love to do this side first, and then after doing this side, when I want to do this side, I have a lot of difficulties doing it. Now that I'm a little bit perfect, so I don't find any difficulties in it anymore. So everything is okay, well, to me. Now I can do my brows without any problem. So this video is actually for beginners. If you are fighting with your brows on how to draw your brows, this video is for you. So now I'm just going, and the other side. This is the finished look of the brow. Please, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me to share, leave a nice comment. Love you guys. Bye.